Hello buddies, today we will learn how to install Ubuntu in our PC with dual boot option. My PC is already installed with Windows 8.1. Now we will dual boot it. I have created an installation media with USB. See, Jet Flash 16 GB. Enter. It will boot Ubuntu for us. Here we have got Ubuntu. Let the process complete. I have got a screen for Ubuntu. It's asking for the Wi-Fi network which is available, but don't connect it now. Here are two options: try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. First select your language. I have selected English and click on install Ubuntu. Okay, now it is again asking for the connect to network, but you click I don't want to connect to a Wi-Fi network and continue. I have already created a partition for Ubuntu. You just create it later. Now here there is an option for install third-party software. So it's for MP3 player and ISISA. Okay, continue. Sorry, IIS server. Continue. It will take some more time to install. If you unclick it, it will install instantly. Okay. Preparing to install Ubuntu. It is taking some more time. Please be patient. Have some patience. Okay. Now here it is asking for erase Ubuntu 14.04 and reinstall. This will delete all your Ubuntu. Install Ubuntu alongside Ubuntu 4.1. Erase disk and install Ubuntu something else. So we will not do anything. If you are using Windows, don't choose any of the option above. You just go, as it is asking for erasing Ubuntu 14.04.4 LTS. Actually it was installed before this system, so it is asking for it, but I will choose something else as I have created a partition for it. So you should also click on something else and go for the continue. It will show the disk which is available. So we have to choose our partition smartly, because if you accidentally select another partition, you may lost your data. So I have created a 100 GB 100 GB drive. So I will hunt for it. See here, my all drives are 104, 134 MB, 160 GB, 268 GB, 268 GB, 171 GB, 104 GB. So as you can see here, NTFS and SDA8 is ext4. It is for my Ubuntu drive. So we will go for SDA8. See here it is written Ubuntu 4.04.4 LTS. Actually it was installed on my system, so click it. do your partition ext4 file system. Tell to format the partition, as I have already Ubuntu version. So mount point, it indicates root, it indicates boot, home, temp. So we will select the root and OK. It will format disk for us. Wait for some time. I think so the operation is successful. We should proceed for it. Okay, the volume is selected. SDA8 ext4. See it carefully, otherwise you may lost your data. And click on install now. It is giving some part of warning. So if you are confirmed that you have selected the correct partition, so you should click on continue. You have not selected any partition for you, just continue. Again, if you continue, the changes listed below will be written. This will destroy all the data on any partition you have removed, as well as on the partition that are going to be formatted. The following partitions are going to be formatted: only SDA8 partition number 8 of SCS1 as ext. Continue. Okay, now it will format my disk of SDA8, which is of type. Okay, we have to select here our country, time zone. So I am from India. I will select here India. By default it takes Kolkata. Continue. Okay, now select your keyboard layout. We use English US for the standard option. Again English US. Continue. Write your name here. Psycho is my username, and for my computer name I will write Psycho PC. Okay, pick a username. Here I will select again Psycho. For password, you may choose any password. Okay, it will ask for the login automatically and require my password to login. To be smart and secure, click the require my password to login and continue. Click continue here. Now let the Ubuntu install. If you want to see the progress of the file which is installing, you can click on the copying files arrow and you can see the files here, which file is currently being installed. Let it install. It may take some time. Here you can read information for time pass, as there is nothing to do. Ubuntu Software Center, you can get any of these packages. If you are not knowing command line arguments to install some softwares, so you can directly type in the search box and click one click installation is available in Ubuntu. Otherwise, if you know to install RPM or how to install by your command line interface, you can go for it. This is a music player provided by Ubuntu, third party software Rhythm Box music player. You can even install your favorite music player, VLC, or anything else. Mine is VLC. Fun tools for you: GIMP image editor and PTV video editor, Shotwell photo manager. GIMP image editor is just like a Photoshop, and video editor is pretty good software provided by Ubuntu. It is also a third party software, but it's good for your like a tool. Nice video editor. Packages are being installed. Keep some patience. It takes some time to install an OS. You will have fun using Ubuntu. The default browser is provided as Firefox web browser for you. Supported software are Flash.